Hi everyone, my name is Pedro Ferrio and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meeting. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below, click on the bell to turn on the notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video.
So we're going to be talking about the Microsoft Azure Translator API Macro. This macro, it is available for free in the Alteryx Community Gallery, but in order for you to use it, you do need a Microsoft Azure account. After signing up for the Microsoft Azure account, you just have to input the information that you're going to be seeing later on in the video, and then you're going to be able to use the macro. So what does the macro do? The macro will read exactly the data set that it's coming in, we will detect the language, and then output the translated version to the desired language they select. In this case right here, we're going to be working with a data set which is in Portuguese. It is just some Amazon reviews that are in Portuguese, and then we're going to be translating them to English. So let me show you exactly how the data set looks, and then we can talk about the macro itself. So we can see right here that we had some information regarding name, date, and then review right here. And as you can see, it is in Portuguese. So the goal right now is to simply translate from Portuguese to English. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag in our Microsoft Azure Translator into the canvas. And then let me walk you through the actual configuration. Right here at the top, we have some information regarding general information. So which version the API is actually built in and that kind of stuff. We do have some pricing information, and then as well the documentation that we use in order to create the macro. When it comes to the configuration, it is pretty straightforward. All we have to do is first select the field that we're trying to translate. In this case, the review field, as you can see right here at the bottom. Which language we're trying to translate it to. So remember, as I said, you do not have to specify the language that it is coming in, only the language that you want to output to be. And then the last two inputs right here are something that after you sign up for your own Microsoft Azure account, you're going to be able to have access to your API key and then the translator location. So actually, let me grab my API key, and then paste right here. So my location, it is already the East US, so I'm going to leave it as it is, and then actually just run the workflow. So the workflow ran, and then let's see how the output looks. As you can see right here to the left, we do have our original text field, and then to the right, the translator version of the text field. So this is pretty much how the macro works. It is pretty simple, and then, as I said, it is free to use in the Alteryx Community Gallery. Thank you guys, have a nice one.
If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thank you for watching.